Right. Meet Megha from Brock University. Megha, can you tell us something about Brock University, considering it's a great, amazing university for undergrad students?
Hi, Ganga. Absolutely. Brock is one of the leading public research universities of Canada. We are located in the Ontario province. Within Ontario, we are located right in the center of the Niagara region. So we are 20 minutes from the Niagara Falls. We are 1 hour from Toronto, and we are 30 minutes from the US Canada border, which gives us a major location advantage. We offer more than 120 programs in the undergrad and postgrad levels, ranging from health sciences, business and management. We have social studies and humanities, and also programs related to science and mathematics. We have about 20,000 students, out of which 10% are international students that are coming from more than 100 countries. Brock is a university that is really known for the co-op programs and also for the scholarship opportunities. And really encourage students to visit the website for more information.
Great. What are the initiatives Brock is taking during the COVID-19 situation?
I think the most important thing that we are trying to do is that we are trying to maintain this constant channel of communication with the students, their parents, our agent partners, and through various modes, whether emails, whether phone calls, virtual fairs, webinars, live chats. Because we're just trying that, that we are there to answer any kind of queries that they have and keeping them updated regularly on the things and the situation that is.
Tell us something, what makes Brock so unique? Because there's so many universities and students always ask us, why Brock?
Yeah. So I think, Ganga, the best thing about Canada is the fact that the standard of education is uniform across institutions. But I also feel that Brock has its own unique features that make it stand out. Number one, the major location advantage that we are located in St. Catharines, which is just 1 hour away from Toronto, and also has the Great Niagara Falls, which is one of the major tourist attractions in the world. We are a medium-sized university, so the sizes of the classrooms are small. The professors know you by name, and you have easy access, to them in case if you have any kind of queries. We are ranked number 3 in Canada for student satisfaction, which is something that I outline in every interaction that I have with, a potential student. We are also really our co-op offerings. In fact, we are ranked amidst the top 5 institutions for our diverse co-op offerings. More than 40 programs have co-op, and these guarantee minimum 1 year of work experience. 95% of the students who are doing co-op programs end up getting employed by the co-op employers themselves. Last but not the least, we have a very high rate of employment. It's 96.7%, which is the highest in Ontario.
You want to tell students something about CanAm and Brock relationship?
Absolutely. CanAm has been one of the preferred partners for Brock for now so many years. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for all the continued support that you've been giving. I also would like to encourage students to reach out to CanAm and the various branch offices that you have across India for anything that they want to know about Brock. And our applications are open, and you have an amazing team of counselors which I'm sure would guide them in the right direction.
Hi, Ishita. Can you tell us something about the scholarship opportunities and specifically a student ambassadorship award at Brock University, since you're a recipient of one?
So, some of the vast array of scholarships provided by Brock University to its students include the Emerging Market Scholarship, which is given to students from countries such as Bangladesh, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. You also have the Entrance Scholarship, which is automatically given to any student who comes into Brock University with an 80% or a higher average, and it can go up to $16,000. You also have the International Student Ambassador Award. So I'm the International Student Ambassador from India. They select about 10 to 15 students from different countries, and you are awarded up to $28,000, which brings down your tuition fee to domestic rate. All you have to do is promote Brock University, share your student experience, as well as promote your culture at Brock University.